Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'll start off by saying, as I always do, these videos are not for financial advice or technical advice. They are just a general overview of what I know. If you guys have any comments on my video, if you think that some of the information I've given out is incorrect, please let me know. By no means am I an expert, guys. I'm self-taught. I'm just trying to share what I've learned so other people can do it. This video we're going to talk about trustwallet and buying crypto tokens or cryptocurrency that's not on exchanges yet, and also how to go through about doing that. I'll give a general overview of trustwallet, not an in-depth one, and a general overview on buying the tokens, not an in-depth one. If you guys want videos more in detail, I will be listing some later on about trustwallet, pancake swap, and a few others. If you are happy with just this overview, please let me know. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is show you my phone, open up trustwallet, and enter in our details. I'm okay showing you guys this one. This is just my messing around for YouTube and messing around to testing account, so it's only got a couple dollars in it. It's nothing that I really care about. Alright guys, so in this one you have BNB and you have BNB Smart Chain. I do a lot of my purchases through pancake swap on the Binance network. There are the Uniswap for Ethereum. If you want to buy Ethereum coins like Saitama, Tesla Inu. I will get into that once again in other videos, but today we're going to focus on Binance. Guys, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask Wallet, once again, different videos, but once you have your wallet and BNB, essentially with your BNB, if you, for example, use CoinSpot, which is very common for a lot of people, you can send your BNB into your Trust Wallet. What you want to do is click send. Now when you go to send, if you're using CoinSpot, you've got your BEP2, which is your, sorry guys, wrong button, which is your standard BNB. So if you're going to send BEP2, you want to go to this one and receive your normal BNB. If you don't want to and you want to send directly to Smart Chain, which is what we need in the long run, guys, we need this one, not this one, this one. You can change that and send it to this. It will give you a warning. Guys, make sure, and I can't stress this enough, make sure you send it to your Smart Chain BNB. If BNB wallets don't pop up on your Trust Wallet, for example, once you've set it up, click up here and you can scroll down and activate it by just turning on or turning off that toggle. Alright guys, so eventually we want this one, so you're better off sending your BNB balance directly to this. Just make sure you've changed it to your BEP20 token. Get all your details, send it over, and once it arrives you'll have a balance. If you do not have a balance on here and you've sent it in BNB, it's not the end of the world, but you will lose a fee. The way to swap this to this is, because we need this one to purchase other tokens, is go to DEX and you can see your BNB balance and your BNB Smart Chain balance. You want to transfer over that to that, so let's say 75% of my balance, and I swap it. There will be a fee, so right now there's a $2.70 network fee. Press confirm, enter your codes. I've got it to enter my codes for absolutely everything, and away you go. Now you will notice that that's dropped. Give it about a second or two and there you go. Our Smart Chain Binance has bumped up. So once you have your Smart Chain BNB, you can go into your dApps. Now scroll down and you'll see pancake swap. See Uniswap, that's what I was talking about. Ethereum, we'll get into that in another channel. At the moment I'm not even going to bother about showing you guys Ethereum videos because the gas fee on Ethereum is stupidly high and I don't want to lose a lot of money. Alright guys, so what you want to do is click open Pancake Swap, and you'll see your wallet automatically connects. If your wallet doesn't automatically connect, you can click up here and connect it, but you can see my BNB balance has popped up here. Now what you can do is, if you click select currency, you can scroll down and purchase whatever crypto tokens you want. When you're scrolling through here, you can see that there's Burn Dodge that I have just purchased for a video tester. I will show you that more often. Mini football, I made a lot of money off that. We won't go into that. But you got your segment and your Pawn Rocket, which you saw in my previous pages. With this, guys, if this, let's say for example you wanted any one of these, all you got to do is click on it and you can transfer as much as you want. Now you can see the difference between this and this will be the fee, so you won't always get exactly what you want, and then you can have your balance down here. Slippage tolerance is something you want to pay attention to. To change that, click up here. You can change the default transaction speed and how much it's going to cost you. I always just leave it at fast. And you can change the slippage tolerance, for example 1%. What that means, guys, is let's say for simplicity's sake we're going to send 1 BNB and we transferred over that slippage, we're allowing 1% slippage. So worst case scenario, when we transfer it over, we've transferred over 99 BNB because we're allowing that 1% loss. Guys, that's a very simple breakdown of it. There is obviously your transfer fees, your network fees. There are tokenomics that come into slippage prices. There are people that, or computers and systems out there that can front run you. I'll make another video on slippage later, but we won't even do that. Because I don't really want ATM, I'll just put it on Pawn Rocket, for example. So just to show you guys, let's say I send 0.01 BNB. I'm gonna get 60171700 Pawn Rocket. They do have a slightly higher, so I'm gonna set my slippage to 12%. That's just me. Click swap, confirm your swap, and it will bring you to this page. The Smart Binance Multicoin Pancake Swap, our network fee is 90 cents, so the max total is going to be $12.31. If I go back and cancel it, that's fine. If my slippage on this token was too low, let's say I set it at 5%, and I click swap, there we go. The transaction cannot exceed due to error, estimated gas. Now guys, that's because this particular token does have tokenomics in it, does have a few other things that require your slippage to be that 12%. I'll get into all slippage into another video, but for example guys, once you get to this stage, click approve, once again, enter my code, and transaction gets submitted. Now if you guys sit here and wait, you will see eventually it changes. It doesn't normally take a hell of a lot. There you go. There you go, just done. Perfect. So BNB's taken out, we gained a little bit of Pawn Rocket token. If you click this button up here, you will see your transaction. You can click on that to get more detail, and you can see the transaction. Now we're gonna pay attention to this button, or this here. This is the contract ID. The contract ID is for Pawn Rocket. Now you can click copy on that and we can get out of this and we're back to this page. Now if we go to wallet, we'll see that we've lost a little bit of smart chain, and there we go, and our Pawn Rocket has increased slightly. Now if the token you just purchased does not come up in here, you have to add it. So for example guys, you can add it by two ways: clicking here and scrolling through and searching for it. Now it's popped up because it's been added. Oh, sorry, I got the wrong one. it's popped up because it's been added. If it doesn't add up here, guys, you can add a custom token. I will be showing you, I'll show you now. For example, guys, we're going to go Pawn Rocket. We have just purchased this, it's new. In order to purchase something that isn't actually listed on the... No, you know what? I'm going to create another video on it because it's going to be a long video. Look, if it doesn't pop up in that search bar, guys, all you want to do is click add a custom token, change it because we're not on Ethereum network, we're on Smart Chain network, and enter the contract address, and it will normally pop up with all the details in your name, your symbol, and decimals. I will run you through that on my next video. I might run a video on how to buy Burn Dodge and Ducks Dodge, which are just some new tokens. Guys, on CoinMarketCap here, you'll see Pawn Rocket, all the details, how it's traveling. As you guys can see, it's not too great. As I said, with the money that's in this account, this is just my messing around money. I honestly don't care about it, so I'm just holding. If it all goes to zero, no big loss for me, no big deal. If it keeps increasing, that's great. I'll create a video about tokenomics a bit later, but guys, that's a very brief run around on Trust Wallet, a very brief run around on how to use Trust Wallet to get to PancakeSwap and how to buy tokens. I will be able to show you guys more detail about Trust Wallet and everything else if you want. It's very easy to set up a wallet. I will set up a new one to show you guys a bit later. Other than that, we will leave it at that. If you have any questions, please comment. If you have any suggestions, please comment. If you have any criticism, please comment. I will happily accept anything. If you guys want to see my more in-depth videos on each thing, so my next one I'm going to release today, I believe I will talk about how to take a contract code and then buy a token with it and then add that token to a non-existent list. And my next one after that will be about slippage and tokenomics. If you guys want more information about that, please subscribe. It really does help me grow and help the channel. Alright guys, have a good day.